Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure tax loss harvesting with Betterment, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure tax loss harvesting with Betterment, first, log into your Betterment account. Once logged in, navigate to your portfolio overview. Look for the Settings or Preferences section. Within this section, locate the tax loss harvesting feature. Make sure the feature is enabled. If it's not enabled, follow the prompts to turn it on. Next, review your investment allocations. Ensure your investments are diversified across various asset classes. Check the performance of each investment to identify potential losses. Once identified, Betterment will automatically consider these investments for tax loss harvesting. Review Betterment's recommendations for tax loss harvesting. You will see a list of investments with unrealized losses. Decide if you agree with the suggested trades provided by Betterment. If you do, confirm the trades to realize the losses. Betterment will then reinvest any proceeds into similar investments to maintain your portfolio strategy. Be aware of the IRS wash sale rule when making decisions. This rule prohibits buying back the same or substantially identical security within a 30-day window. Keep track of your realized losses for your tax reporting. After the trades are executed, monitor your portfolio performance regularly. Make adjustments as necessary based on changes in market conditions or tax considerations. Engage with tax professionals if you have specific questions about how these losses may affect your tax situation. Always keep yourself updated on Betterment's policies as they may change. Review your settings periodically to ensure that tax loss harvesting remains suitable for your investment goals. With patience and careful planning, you can effectively leverage tax loss harvesting with Betterment for your financial benefit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.